practice center, and when we meet here, we talk nothing, but we give you undiluted content about automobile and vehicles. So today I welcome you to my channel, and before I will start the show and introduction, please, if you haven't done yet, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay updated, because we upload useful content on this platform every week. But you know what, we are going to discuss something about car overheating, and it's a very good question because I got this message from someone who is a big fan of mine, and he sent this message to one of my social media platforms because he needs more explanation and more solutions to solve this problem once and for all. So I decided not to send him direct message, but I will make it in a general public for everyone to know more about this thing and how they will tackle it when they also develop such kind of overheating. So I'm here once again to teach you about this overheating and take you into details with more explanation. So we all know overheating causes a lot of problem to our vehicles, and when it comes, it might end up spoil a lot of things and end up create a lot of problems, so that you spend a lot more and later you have to buy engine or spend unnecessary money that you have not targeted for. So I want to give you some tips that will enable to help you that you can solve these problems when you face it, and you can also know more knowledge about it when these things develop on the vehicles. But we all know that you might ask, there are a few engine problems that can cause that. When temperature freezes on our vehicle when driving, it probably deceives us not to see whether the car has overheated or not. So first of all, when we are driving, we have to check and be more focused on our vehicle temperature, which is more important. And also, hot temperature alone might not be causing your vehicle to overheat. If your car cooling system aren't functioning correctly, it also causes a lot of overheating, and it might deceive you and end up spoil your engine to let you spend the money that you have not afforded to spend on the vehicle. So it can lead to serious damage to your engine and expensive repairs. Here are a few common engine problems that can cause your car to run hot that you should know about, which is very important. So this is a tip that I'm giving to you so that it will guide you and it will enable you to take yourself alert when these things occur on your vehicle when driving. Okay, we have coolant. Every car has a cooling system to help the temperature of the engine down. If your cooling system has a leak, blockage, or pump malfunction, the coolant might not be able to circulate properly. Cooling system malfunction aren't just problematic when it is hot out. Very cold temperature can cause coolant to freeze and prevent circulation, which is more important, and you have to take a big note about that. And secondly, we have car thermostat. Okay, another possible issue could be a problem with the thermostat. A vehicle thermostat is responsible for regulating the amount of coolant flowing through the engine. A broken or malfunctioning one can easily cause your car to overheat, which is more important. The thermostat can cause serious overheating without your knowing, so we have to do a lot of checking and a lot of quick maintenance to enable us escape from all these problems when we are driving. And we have low motor oil. We all know low motor oil can also cause a lot of friction because engine is metal to metal content. So when there is a friction, there is a heat. This is why most of the times overheating come in and cause a lot of problems. So we should also try to check our engine oil at the right time and not long as we think it is normal. So a car oil does more than just lubricate moving parts. It is also helps to remove excess heat from the engine. If your vehicle has low oil, it might be causing your car to run hot. Okay, then we have radiator fan. If your radiator cooling fan isn't turning on or running at the right level, it can cause your car to overheat. Radiator fans usually run on electric motors. So any motor mechanical problem can lead to your fan not providing enough cool airflow. So this is a little bit about overheating, and I think this explanation will alert you to be more vigilant on your car and also take some good care of your engine and more inspection as time goes on. Okay, of course these aren't the only possible problem that can cause a car to overheat. It is a good idea to find a reliable mechanic who can diagnose and service your car and get protection in case your car overheats while you are on the road. Okay, you can learn more from the Nationwide and also seek advice and do more research, and also you have to learn how to do it yourself. Check your car water level and engine oil level as early as possible and do your maintenance as early as possible. If you do these check-ins and add this thing to your maintenance schedule and your daily activities, and that means you are on the right direction, which will guide you to escape from all these problems. Okay, in general, this is the description about overheating, and I have given you the rundown and the deep description about this. So I think we have to keep it in mind and also write it somewhere so that it will guide you all the time when you are driving. Thank you for watching, and please like my video, put your comments down, share to all your social media platforms, your friends. Someone needs it, someone might also benefit from it. Please don't watch it alone. Put your comments down so that we can know who we are interacting to, and it will motivate me and encourage me to do more quality video content for you out there. Your questions will bring me out of the picture. Your questions will bring me on the picture to do more videos for you. So put more questions below and I'll answer you ASAP. But before we meet once again, be better and not better.